hobos.
There's some hobos down there on the train. You see them down there?
Yeah, I see them.
I guess it looks like they're getting ready to hop the train. It looks almost
They all look like they're dressed up.
It's almost like the two boys down there.
Maybe they're down there taking pictures, you mean?
I think it might be some hobos down there. What do you think?
Hmm.
You're ready to hop the train?
We should, when we talk to them, say, you know, we're looking out the window and there's a bunch of bumps down there waiting for the train. They're going to hook the train.
Yeah.
And there was about, there was about 4 or 5 of them. Just standing there waiting. We
Yeah.
didn't think there were bumps anymore. And looked at, I mean, they look kind of familiar in a way.
Relatives. Yeah, it does look like some of our relatives.
Look like some of our relatives. So we got a few still riding the trains yet in our family. And there's somebody walking with a white dress. It looked like a wedding dress. They're down there taking pictures, huh?
Yeah.
That may be Sarah and Brian, huh?
Yeah. Looks like they're getting ready to hop the train, do you think?
Yeah, maybe they're trying to elope. Yeah. They wanted to get some outdoor pictures. Somebody called in church.
Yeah, they're hopping the train.